Go Denzel. Go Denzel. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. Go Denzel. Go Denzel. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. Go Denzel. And Nick. And Nick. And Nick. Shh, guys.
For real, be quiet.
Couple more days.
She my sunshine in the rain. My time when I'm in pain, yeah. Let me tell you what she means to me. Like a tall glass of lemonade. It's burning hot on summer days, yeah. Cause she's exactly what I need. And she's soothing alive, the ocean rushing on the sand. She takes care of me, baby, and she helps me be a better man. She's so beautiful. Sometimes it's hard to close my eyes. She's exactly what I need. She's my sunshine in the rain. I messed up. Oh, fuck. I'm sorry.
Come on now. Come on, keep it going. Keep it going. Come on, keep it going.
What was it? What was it? Oh, yeah. I forgot the words for a minute. Hold on.
Denzel, take it away. Take it away.
See my smile when I'm what the fuck? You stealing my shit, thing? She's my midnight sleep when the day is through, yeah. Let me tell you what she means to me. Kinda like the feeling after your first kiss, except that every day she makes me feel like this. She's exactly what I need. Oh yeah, oh she's soothing like the ocean rushing on the sand. She takes care of me, baby. She helps me be a better man. She's so beautiful.
Malie and Denzel.
Sometimes I start to close my eyes.
Oh my God, Denzel. Can I get your autograph? This is so amazing. Woo! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God, that was so great. Go change your pants now. Go change your pants.
Now I'm heavyweight now, bro.
Change your pants. Change your pants. That was great. Change your pants. Woo!
That was the words, bro. That's just so funny.
You were the best singer I've ever heard in my whole life. Oh